here's a simple hack that I've come up with. I had trouble putting the bolts, engine mounting bolts, into the cowlings of my twin Comanche because originally I designed this cowling for a smaller engine, and with the bigger mounts it's just become very hard to get these bolts in, especially considering the former, which is 6 inches back. So what I decided to do, after messing around for hours and not getting anywhere, every time I got the bolt nearly in, the washers fell off, and I eventually did get one bolt in, and then I couldn't keep it there. So what did I do? I thought about it and I went, okay, hot gun glue. Use the hot gun glue to glue the washers to the head of the nut, screwdriver into the head, and cool it all off, and it'll stay there well and truly long enough for you to get that job done. It just worked a treat. Thanks for watching.